Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear browser data on OPPO A18 or any OPPO phones. So is your OPPO A18 browser running slow or acting up? In this guide, I'll show you how you can clear browser data, cookies, cache, and history in just a few taps. So first, you can just open the browser you use most. It might be Chrome, Google, or the default Oppo browser. So in my case here, I'm using Chrome a lot. So I'm going to just open the Google Chrome. And then here you can just tap on the three dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. And in here, to access your browser controls, especially the clear browsing data, you can just here click on the privacy and security, and you'll see this option, delete browsing data, or you can find the option that says clear browsing data. So this one on my case, and in here you'll see options to clear browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cache image and files. So select what you want and tap clear data at the clear data or delete data at the bottom. For example, here I'm going to delete all of this. You can just tap on delete data and click on delete again. And now you can just wait until all of the browsing data has been deleted. And for a full refresh, you can also choose the or adjust the time range into all time. In here you can see, you can just click on this drop down and choose all time and select all of this. You can just now after that you can just delete data. And this is the best option if your browser is really laggy or glitching. So for quick recaps, you can just open your browser, go to settings, privacy, clear data or delete browsing data, select the data that you want to delete, and done. And that's how you can clear browser data on your OPPO phones. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more phone hacks. So I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.